Good morning, guys. How's it going? It's been a while since I've last vlog. So we're traveling to Switzerland. Can't wait for that. Gonna be traveling via Jet2, coming back on Swiss Air, going for 5 days to Geneva. Got a birthday trip. Going, guys, in Switzerland. Finally arrived. It's actually quite sunny outside, looking really nice. I'm gonna go for a jog. Just had a little quick nap. Woke up like 5 o'clock in the morning. That first clip you saw, that was actually like 6-7 hours ago. It's now 3 o'clock in Switzerland timing. Don't let the sun underestimate it. It's actually pretty cold. So yeah, I'm gonna go for a jog. Yeah, there we go, guys. So yeah, just back to what I was saying, having an awesome time first day, just doing a bit of sightseeing. If I look at these amazing views in Geneva, a lot of people think that Geneva is like just a normal city like London. 1 minute, it's actually really medieval. It's got its views. I think it's just been all built on a bloody mountain. She wants to be on the film. Bless her. Good morning, YouTubers. It's now Saturday morning, gonna be going out, gonna do some shopping. It's now my niece's birthday. Dis bonjour. Bonjour. Yeah, so it's her little princess's birthday. You're gonna see a couple of photos and videos from her birthday today. I'm gonna go do some shopping, gonna go into the market, so it should be beautiful. It's actually Saturday. Have a look at the weather. So yeah, today's gonna be a banging day. If you're not having a good day, I'm having a good day. But if I'm having a good day, you guys are having a good day. Let's do this. How you doing, guys? So basically I'm in France. Yeah, so we drove all the way from Geneva to France. It's actually not too far. Took us half an hour. In some caravan, so I'm not too sure what I'm doing, but we're just going throughout the day, just traveling. Got an exciting day today. Today's my niece's birthday. Yeah, enjoying my time here. Let's have a look at the views. You'll enjoy it. Yes, yes, yes. In some random fields in France. Oh my god, I'm having such an amazing time. It's basically we're at a garage. Quite a few dogs. I'm not really a dog person. Fucking licking my hands and shit, man.
Oula. Attends. Basse.
Oups.
Oui, ce soir.
Il y a Isabelle, elle part.
On arrive.
Man
Attends.
did that shit.
Tu vois?
Fuck.